every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey guys, welcome to another live session with Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys. My partner's Ron. Current time 7:30. All right, could be morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're at in the world. All right, so guys, welcome to the channel here. Definitely wanted to say thank you very much for tuning in, stopping by. We're going to be going till about 9:45 today. Okay. Guys, make sure to check the description box. It's not a buy or sell channel here. We do set up trade opportunities, okay? But you guys obviously need to realize to take them for yourselves if they make sense for you. Don't risk more than 1%, guys. We're not financial advisors here, so any trades taken are upon yourself. Make sure to talk to a financial advisor first if you don't know how to trade these type of markets, okay? So guys, like I said, current time 7:30. We're going to be doing a top down on gold. All right, same with Nasdaq, and then we'll finish off with US 30. If we find a nice pair that we're looking at, then we might do that too. But those are the two we're focusing on until we get to US 30. Okay, so guys, you can see here, current time, right, 7:31 now. All right, I'm looking at gathering some long-term higher time frame supply. Okay. All right, so bear with me here, guys. We're going to be doing top downs on both, and we're going to get into trading. So the reason why I always do this is just because it's my routine. Okay, just like any golfer, anybody who is in sports or whatever it may be, they always have the same routine in the morning. All right. So just a suggestion, if you guys like that, always start with the top down analysis. Okay, I always start from the daily, which we're going to start labeling right now. Daily support. All right. We now have a daily resistance area right up here. You can see nice little bearish flag pull, flag. Okay, and then you have your continuation. All right, so daily resistance, la resistance. All right. I can also see a candle close here. I'm going to probably gather this on the 4-hour. Okay, so let's take a peek now down from the daily down to the 4-hour. All right, we just had a nice M pattern start to form here, guys. We are actually, the members in the group, we're in a gold buy right now from a trade idea that was running 30 plus pips. It's now probably running about 20, okay, just because of the overall drawdown that's happening. So if you guys got that, congratulations. All right, I am going to gather, all right, the bottom wick right here, or maybe I'll do the top wick first. All right, and we're going to go 4-hour resistance. Okay. Guys, make sure to give some love to Shahab. Okay, guys, always on here. Nice YouTube moderator that we got. He's loyal as hell, so it's a huge asset to have him. Please show him some love. Okay, he's here every single day. Also, guys, shout out to Paul too, Victoria, and all the other moderators. Okay, so you can see now that I just dropped down to the hourly, guys. All right, Mo Marty, he'll be back here somewhere. I don't know what he's doing. He's chilling out. All right, so I see now my 1-hour support. There he is. There he is. We need the Mo money power here today. All right. We now got some 30-minute here. Okay, time frame. I can see some nice resistance starting to form. Okay. All right. $30-min resistance. Okay. Cool, guys. Awesome. I'm going to drop it now down just to see what we got going on here to the left. Okay, do see some nice support potentially if price starts to drop below that hourly. Okay. Karen, Kelly, Shalom. I know you always say that to me. I like saying that, although I am not obviously that. I liked how you say that every single morning. It's a really nice thing. Okay, so we got 30-minute here dropping down to the 15, guys. I was going to put a support level down here at the wicks, but then I wanted to gather it here on the 15 instead. Okay, 15-minute support. All right, just going to move that 30-minute wicks. We're going to drop to the 5. Guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Okay, we're just doing a top-down analysis right now. We just went from the daily all the way down to the 5-minute. Okay, and now we're just going to update everything based on the structure that I can see here. So I do see obviously a nice, this will be higher time frame, but right now it's very obvious that we have a nice 5-minute resistance. Okay, you can tell this is the neck. This is a nice little rejection period here. Okay, price dipped down, tried to go bullish, broke the level of support here, retested it, and then that's when you get your 50-60 pip bearish candlestick. Okay, so as of right now, guys, you can see that we're getting some serious resistance right at 1936.50. Okay, which would be this bearish candlestick right here. Okay, so we're going to add that on. Nikosana, you're new to the channel. Well, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Definitely appreciate that. Give it some time here. I know it's boring just charting, but when we get to live trades, hopefully we can pull some stuff out of our hats today. All right. So potentially, guys, I can see a couple things happening here. I do see a nice little uptrend forming on gold. Okay, on the 5-minute. We're going to see if we're going to hold that type of trend. Okay, maybe start to work. Members, okay. I'm going to show you where the trade idea was given, just so you guys can monitor this if you are in it. All right. Okay, so you can see we're coming to, we ran about 30 pips, now we're retracing back down to the uptrend. All right, so just wanted to show you quickly where we're at. All right, so the current time, guys, 7:36. So we did this about 5 minutes. Very nice. Okay, I want to see how the next, little bit starts to play out. I definitely don't want to be entering in, anywhere between 5-10 minutes closer to the hourly. Okay. So we'll watch and see how this maybe 740 candle makes a move, or if not, we're just going to wait until 8. All right, let's go quickly check out the Forex news for today. Okay, you guys can see here 8:30. We have some Canadian news here. We're probably not going to do US CAD again. All right, and then at 9 we have EU, and then 9:45 we have some US folder, orange folder, Flash Manufacturing PMI and Flash Service PMI. So let's just quickly maybe take a look at these. So why traders care, guys, this is on Forex Factory. If you guys don't know about that, definitely check it out. It's a leading indicator in economic health. Businesses react quickly to the market conditions, and their purchasing managers hold perhaps the most current and relevant insight into the company's view of the economy. Okay, so purchasing managers index, PMI. Okay, a lot of people, they don't know what this has an impact on. You can see that here they're launched, every single month. March 24th here, we were positive 58.8, 58.5. Okay, in the forecast, we were above actual forecast. Okay, and then we're going to go to Flash Services PMI. Okay, why traders care? Pretty much same thing as I just read. Okay, you can see that 58.9 was on March 24th too. So another positive outlook for the last 2 months that this folder has been released. Okay, so we'll watch and monitor this at 9:45. All right. But for right now, you can see a little bit of slow motion trading right here. Okay, we do see that there is, what's up, Raj? What's going on? There is a nice downtrend forming here. Okay, gold overall is in a bearish downtrend on the higher time frame, so you can go check that out by just looking at the hour here. Okay, you can see that we broke structure with a nice double top on the hourly. We have a top here, top here. We did have a W within that top. Okay, I do see another top right here, one peak, secondary peak. I guarantee it, there's some divergence absolutely on the hourly. Okay, not too much, but you can see that it's almost parallel. Okay, and then price tried to rise, and then you got your overall sell-off. Here was the breaking of support at that 1948 level, and then you can see the thing dropped down about 50, 60, 70 pips, and then that's when we started to find our buy area down here, members. Okay, so in the 5 minute, let's just leave this, guys. I do want to go over and chart Nasdaq. All right, So let's head over there right now. I'm just going to set some alarms right here just in case we do get to key levels. Okay, I do see a nice little support area right around here. Okay, whether it's going to have a huge effect on gold, who knows, but we will watch and see. Okay. Camilo, thank you so much. Rayan, there we go. My man. Steve FX, good morning, my man. Hope you guys are doing good. All right, guys, today's Friday. It's a little bit of a chill day. I told the guys that it's just relax. Okay. If we don't see anything, we're not going to force today, like during the week. Most traders, they don't even really trade on Fridays. Okay, so let's go to the daily, guys. Let's go check this out. Jay Chung, my man. Hove, I love that name. Reminds me of Jay-Z. All right. So I'm finding some nice little demand area down here. Okay. And guys, if we stretch this all the way across, you can see that it's holding demand here, holding resistance, and then you find good support. Okay. So if you're wondering how to find this stuff, guys, look for a nice little where price has touched many times, found support, found resistance, and that you can call that a nice opportunity. Okay. So I'm also going to mark that up, show some demand. Okay. And then we're going to find some supply area right around here. Okay, good. Okay, so right now I see a nice resistance at the daily here on Nasdaq. Nasdaq hasn't really been moving much. You can see it's kind of like a slug today. All right. And Nasdaq looks like it's ready to pump, guys. Yeah, let's watch. Members, make sure to check the Discord. Okay, there is a buy from yesterday at a key level here. So just remember that. This could also be forming a little bit of a bearish flag pattern here. Okay, I do see nice 4-hour support. Okay, so move that up there. I'm gonna go see this candle right there. Beautiful. Okay, we'll try to drop down to the hourly now. Excellent, guys. Guys, on the hourly, there is a double bottom opportunity here. Okay, let me just explain to you. So boom, neckline, boom, coming up. So we can get a nice little opportunity push, at least to that 13,760. Okay. Jonathan, no, man, yell at it, dude. If you see something you know, if you like, yell it out, dude. Trust me. We'd rather you yell it than keep quiet. All right. So I see 1 hour support here. Okay, and then we're going to check out my 1 hour resistance right here. No, Raj, my man, I'm speaking fully. Okay, perfect, guys. So you can see here looking good. All right, if we were dragging across, you can see a lot of resistance here at the daily too. Okay, so if you want to move that up there, give that wick. It gives us a little bit more of an outlook to the left of what's actually going on right now. Okay. So let's also find support looks good. Okay, I want to see on the 15 how this looks. Beast, my man. I'm doing good, dude. I like the name. Okay, gonna find that 15-minute support. Maybe not down there. I'm gonna move that down. Got it up here. Christina, good morning. Okay. All right, guys. So you can see here looking good. Found nice level of support right here. I'm just gonna mark that as a 15-minute support level. This could be kind of any time. I know I have 15-minute support here, but this is just what it's showing nice on the 15-minute to the left. Okay. I'm gonna touch that up. We're gonna drop now down to the 5, guys. Remember, the daily resistance is the key that will pump Nasdaq back up. Okay, this is 5-minute resistance. Okay, have a nice engulfing candlestick here. Okay, you can really see there's a lot of momentum starting to push. All right, so we do have a little bit of resistance here now forming. And to the left, it makes sense because you can see we have a resistance here too. Okay, move that up a little bit. Wicks tried to push up, rejection. Okay, and then you have some overall rejection right here. All right. So let's just mark that up, keep it there, just so we know what's going on. All right. Gonna flip back, see what we're at on our RSI here. We are above the 50 line. Okay. Get the coordinates, guys. Okay, let's check out the moving average here, see where we're at on the 9. Okay, we are above it. Let's see where the 200 is. Okay, we are approaching. All right, guys, so it's pretty ironic that near the daily resistance, okay, lies the 200. Okay, so we're still in nice push uptrend here. All right, but are we going to break that key level to the left? Okay, let's watch and see how this is going to make a move. I'm just going to set some alarms right here just in case we start to push again. Okay, and then we're going to go check out gold. Okay, gold is not doing much right now, guys. It's kind of acting like a slug. Okay, it has not even came close to or near to our alarms. And look at the time. Okay, can't really see. You can 7:46 right here. Let's watch and see if we're still going to start to hold that nice little uptrend and start to push. Okay. What do you guys think? Do you guys think gold is going to go bullish or bearish right now? What are you guys' thoughts? Remember the correlation if there's anything between gold and Nasdaq. All right. We can also check out the DXY. All right. A lot of people are saying gold is going to be bullish right now. Okay. Look at the DXY, guys. Okay. If we break this level of support right here on the DXY, okay, we're going to start to fall back, most likely to this general area right here. Okay. So, and obviously we're going to have ticks along the way, but this is what it's going to look like if we get the fall in the DXY. Okay, so let's just see if our analysis is right. Okay, if they're really drawn to the 200 or not. This is the best, guys. I love asking if gold is going to be bullish or bearish. Okay, so let's monitor the DXY here. I'm just going to set an alarm. Okay, if we do find that level of support here, the DXY can make, this is on the 5-minute, guys, remember, can make potentially an engulfing candlestick here, and we can break, and then we can start to push above the moving average. Okay, retest guaranteed, and then we're going to start to shoot back up to maybe the 100.9 mark. Okay. So let's watch. All right. J, it would be the dollar index. They don't really have it on Fusion. Okay. They might have it at a like a link that you can check. Okay. Uh-oh, my man's saying. Members, look, listen to these guys. I'm telling you right now, we have some economic traders here. Okay, fundamentalists. All right, this is technicals. Listen to fundamentalists as well. All right. So we'll watch and see here, guys. Nigel, USDX on Fusion. Okay, good. Thanks, buddy. I didn't even know they had it on there. I've always just used it on trading. I have never really rocked there. So let's watch and see here. You can see that it looks like they're slowly maybe starting to break that trend line. Okay, a lot of resistance up here. You can see wick, 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 rejection, rejection. Okay, but the current time, guys, 750. All right, 750 coming up. Are we going to get a continuation in the bearish downtrend, or are we going to have a reversal and push to the top? Okay, seeing nice demand, general area right in here. Okay. Okay, so let's go check on Nasdaq. Nasdaq has some nice liquidity, obviously, right now. Okay. New hourly, guys. If this thing starts to pop off, okay, like I know this could be a riskier trade coming in. Okay, but Nasdaq is just showing bullish tendencies right now. All right. You can see we're above. Okay. Nice double bottom here. Tap on a wick, bottom, wick, bottom. Okay, then you have your overall progression to the upside. Let's watch and see how this is going to start to move. All right. Heavy resistance, remember this. Okay, so we need to get above here, as always. Okay. Something like this. Okay, and remember, you're going to get some resistance too, so if you really want to be technical about it, you're probably going to push. Okay, get some resistance at this 200. Okay, and then we're going to see if we're going to hold above and walk to the upside. All right. The reason I'm showing this right now is just the bullish tendencies that is starting to hold above the moving average. Okay. If not, guys, it's not going to break above here. Okay, price is just going to have that heavy resistance at that 606.39. It would be like roughly 4.0. Okay. So let's watch and see how this is going to make a move. Okay, so we got about 9 minutes here, guys. If you don't feel comfortable, guys, I wouldn't do anything right now. I would just watch this, okay? Wait for the new hourly candle to open. Okay, 1 second here. Okay, so let's go check out gold again, guys. We'll monitor this accordingly. Just want to set these alarms right here. We have one alarm going off. I want to see if we get another one here. Okay, let's go check out gold. Okay, gold is showing a bit of bullish movement here, bullish tendencies. All right, but again, still new. Okay, in terms of the, still, like I said, new in terms, almost near the 8 o'clock hourly. Okay, you can see a lot of rejection here starting to happen. All right, do have some, we haven't even tapped any of the opportunities for just showing us an alert. You know, it's been really choppy here. Look at these types of movements. I'm not too sure if you guys really know these candlesticks or not. Okay, you have a little bit of a pin bar here pushing down. Okay, you guys know what candle that is. It's all getting rejected below this 9 EMA. Okay, the 9 EMA is really helping with resistance right now. All right, and you can see the candles that are forming. It's choppy. Like, look at this. You have a gravestone doji here. Price pushed up. Okay, push back down, closed, a little bit of volume, and then you see heavy rejection here. But price is picking it back up very slowly. All right, very slowly. So let's watch and see here. You know, like I said on the hourly candle. Okay, guys, if gold starts to break above, okay, it's got to get to 5-minute resistance. It's got to get above the 30 here, right here, okay? So it's got to get above there, and then it can start to walk up. Okay, so here's that 755 candle right now, guys. Okay, the next 5-minute candle will be the new hourly. All right, so let it play out. Oh man, hope everyone's got their coffee going on here. I know it's 5 o'clock somewhere for all the members or wherever you guys are in the world. Hopefully you're enjoying a nice beverage. It is Friday, or a nice joint. You know, at 4:20 today, guys, I will be spliffing one up. I'm not going to lie to you. It's Friday. Friday, you know. Had a pretty good week. I hope everyone else did too. If everyone's, you know, working and stuff like that, I feel for you guys. I know what the grind is like, so hopefully you guys are excited that it is Friday. You know what I mean? So let's try to finish this with a strong week. Okay, no need to, you know, over leverage or do any kind of moves like that. Keep it small, keep it tight, and you know, just relax, guys. Try to have a good day. All right. Hello, how are you? The inputs they make are in a pullback. Nicholas, haven't really put in any kind of inputs as of right now. Just kind of waiting for that new hourly candle to open here, right? So. And that's what I said, guys. If you guys know, like I had a couple people ask, you know, do you not trade between the first 5 minutes of the open hourly and the last 5 minutes of the rate leading into it? I not really personally, just because of the head fakes that can come with it. All right, if I do anything like that, it's a very, very, very small lot size, guys. All right. Grizik, where's the early morning shisha? I don't. It's the shisha is at the other place. I got to get a new one too. I have a single one right now. I need to get a double. You know, I was even thinking about the a beer helmet shisha. You know, I could do it live streaming with something like that. Be a serious commentator with that. I'm just kidding, but that's a good idea. Anyone who comes up with that, I will totally support a shisha beer helmet trading live. And FIFA, yes, guys. Is anybody watching football? Anybody following the World Cup? That stuff's about to come on, right? What's everyone's team, guys? That's a good question. Everyone around the world, you know what I mean? Everyone's rocking. You know, I talk about basketball, but the real is football, like we talked about yesterday. What's everyone's team, guys? What's that? Ooh, nasty boys. Who's in with me? Ooh. Let's go. Show the W's, guys. Let's go. All right. Quick way to start the morning. Look to secure some pips, guys. Uruguay, guys. Let's go here. What's everyone's team? I want to know. Sorry, guys. I just had to stop for Nasdaq there. Portugal, England, Poland. Let me know, guys. Canada actually made the World Cup. I was so surprised at that. You know, you got to support your country, but I'm gonna root for. I know, guys, this is not maybe good, but I like Germany. I've always liked Germany. You know, so they're my team, guys. Ghana's very good too. You know, I love watching the different levels, guys. It's crazy. Okay, so there's Goldilocks. Let's see what's going on with gold here. Ireland, England, nice. I know, Ian. I saw that England. By North Macedonia and Canada are in. I know. I saw that. Got Chelsea, Colombia, guys. I got everything here. All right, Karen. I'm with Germany too. So good, guys. Good, 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 good. So let's watch and see here. Gold just kind of tapped potential entry, but remember we got about under 5 seconds here for the new hourly candle. So let's watch and see how Nasdaq's going to start to move. Puerto Rico, yes. Dennis, if you have trouble hearing it, man, maybe just reset it. All right, Carlos. Nice. Good evening from the Philippines. Good morning from Canada, my man. Precious Dos, what's going on? Colombia, we aren't at the World Cup. It sucks, guys, when the countries that you're in are not in there. How do you think Canada felt for the longest time? We didn't get shit. We were never in there. Canada was known for their hockey. Ooh, guys. Come on, let's go. We need to get above here, guys. We need to get above here, all right? The new hourly candle has opened. Okay, we're getting some serious resistance right now at that 200. Let's see if we can get a pop here. Ibrahim, my man. Guys, in the group in Zoom, all right? You got to thank Ibrahim. You guys have no idea what he's doing for us and all of his work that he's done. So please show him some love, Zoom members. This guy's like my brother. I talk to him more than I talk to my girl. So show him some love. He deserves it. All right. Costa Rica, Croatia. Let's check out gold here. Okay, so gold, guys, remember we talked about that overall possible continuation. All right, so let's watch and see. This is still the first 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to just look at gold for a possible short below here. Okay, and you can see why I'm looking below that demand is I needed to break the structure. Okay. Rian Heifer, in Canada, weed is okay, but maple syrup is regulated. My man. We're getting back on the maple syrup topic again. You guys are crazy. Okay. Karen Kelling, blessings. Good, good. Oh, guys, let's see here. Let's see if this thing's going to bleed. Wait till it gets past this short-term demand, guys. Let's see if it gets past. Okay. I want to check out Nasdaq real quick. Got a little bit of rejection here. You got to expect this, guys. Coming into the 200, this is a critical break point. Okay, this is very critical. All right. So we need to see some volumized push here. A lot of buyers need to come into the market. I think they can do it. All right. I just want to check out gold one more time. There we go, guys. Gold. Let's watch. See how it's a little bit below, guys. All right, they're retesting that level here. So we need to break in the retest. So you can see it's breaking down now. We need it to get in this general area, hold. Okay, and then we can see if we can get a close below with a push. All right. This thing might just dump as a normal, but let's watch and see here. So here's the key candle. It's right at support. Okay, so they're just dipping down. Just watch and see, guys. We need to get a close below there. They might just wick. All right, they might just wick. Okay, and what I mean by that is they might not get a close below. They might just test it and then push it back up. But this is a huge bear candle right now, guys. So we got to watch and see how this is playing out. Okay, guys, your first TP, if this thing starts to drop, okay, you're looking at 1931. Okay. Ooh, she dropping. Okay, so see, here's that wick. We need to get a close below here, guys. Still a minute left. Okay. We need a close below. All right, you can get that impulse break, okay, but you got to be fast if that's the way you're trying to trade this. Okay, I just want to check out Nasdaq for 1 second here. We're coming right back to gold, don't worry. Nasdaq is still getting a little bit of pressure from the resistance, okay, and gold is still showing nice bearish tendencies right now. Guys, if you're in gold, secure some of this. Okay, I just don't like the way that it's not like just dropping yet. Okay, if you're in this, secure. Okay, about 75-80% of the trade if you got that initial drop. I know it's only maybe about 10 pips on the initial drop, okay? But again, if you're still holding it, secure some of this and leave a runner just so you can take the majority of the meat and potatoes, and then you can leave the rest as your sides, okay? So let's watch. Here's the retest, guys, okay? Here's the retest. Okay, there's TP. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so here's your retest, guys. This thing doesn't hold below and it starts to find that support level to the push. All right. Then we might look at exiting near the 9 EMA and then switch over, maybe looking for some buys. All right, but let's just watch and see here. Okay, let's take a peek at the RSI. Okay, so you can see the relative strength is showing signs that it's looking a little bit bullish right now. Okay, that's why you're getting your retracement, and then it's holding here. So we might get a nice little pop. It's really indecisive right now, guys. Like I said, that's why we're keeping a small TP. All right, and we're gonna watch this accordingly. I just want to check out Nasdaq as well. Okay, so remember we talked about the rejection at the 200. All right, we might get a little bit of a push down here, guys. So if you guys caught the initial break right here on Nas, it's always good to look to secure. All right, but let's watch and see if they're going to hold above that 606 point, roughly 4050 mark. Okay. The trend is still showing bullish trend. Okay, so that's nice. Nothing has broke below the 9. All right. Darian Jack, I'm not looking at oil right now. Okay. Okay, maybe we'll take a look at it. You guys got me all on oil. Okay, same kind of move, same issue. Okay, a little bit of a wick here. I'm not going to really mess with this. I can see the consolidation, so they might be holding structure. Okay, not going to do too much. Okay, so there's your possible retest candlestick. Let's watch and see if this thing's going to hold and push back down. So a little bit of a patient game right now, guys. Yeah, they're still holding nice support level there. So if you guys are in on this trade, look to secure it right now, guys. They're still holding support. They might start to push this back up, okay? So we might not get the full drop. See what I mean? It showed nice, but now they're starting to push this up, okay? So look to secure, guys, right? If you didn't take anything down there. The reason why I'm saying that is because they're opening this thing up like parallel to each other, all right? So they're finding good support, all right? So look to secure, guys. Didn't get much more of a drop here that we liked, but it just made it down to here, okay? And now finding good demand zone area, okay? So we're going to see now what's going to happen based on the next couple moves, all right? So let's take a look on the 15-minute how this is looking like. Okay, so you can see a little bit of consolidation here. Nice little downtrend. We're still below the 9 EMA, all right? We're just not showing like it's finding some support right here. You see the wicks? So wick, wick. This wick right here is holding the support of this wick right here. Okay, so that's why we didn't get a breakdown. It was a weak close, all right, and then the retracement went full on bullish. Let's take a look at the hourly for one more. Okay, if we look to the left, you can see that this is where we're making our support level right here. Okay, so we couldn't even make a 20 pip drop, all right, before that the price started to pick up and go bullish. All right, so you can see to the left here on the hourly, this is what we had to defend. Couldn't even make a nice 20 pip drop. It had to go only about 10 pips. Okay, so let's watch and see now the type of move we're going to get. I'm still going to keep that level here. All right, still going to keep that level here just in case price does start to get rejected again and sell off. Okay, so if price does come back down to that 32.990 area, 8990, okay, I will look to probably take a re-entry because they're probably going to retest this. Okay, so let's watch and see what's going on. Let's take a peek at Nasdaq too for 1 second here. So guys, I just want to show you something before I dump. All right, they pushed. Okay, now they're retesting that overall 15-minute support again. See to the right here. All right. If you go to the Nasdaq, it got rejected here too. Okay, so we made a nice little push. Okay, push here, heavy resistance. Okay, so look, resistance is heavy right here. Oh, sorry guys, type blocks. Okay, you can see it pushed up, could not break above there. Now they're coming to that key level, 13,606. Maybe start to get a little bit of a drop here. Okay, a little bit of a drop. Gold too, you can see that gold, all right, tried to break down. Okay, they retested the 9, and now it's retesting again. Okay, so hold down. Let's watch and see, guys. Remember I told you about the second entry here? Don't let it get a. If it's coming back down, guys, I'm going to take this possible re-entry on the sell. All right, I'm going to take this entry on the sell. Small lot size, guys. Let me just see this, guys. What's going on? Raja. Oh shit. Let me see here. Let me scroll. Cool, guys. Perfect. The entry was not perfect. It looks like potential nice opportunity here, but we caught that bullish thing. That kind of eradicated the sell, but it's retesting again. So Raja, man, shout out, dude. Let me see if I can do the same to him. See if this thing will load. Cool, guys.
Are you tired of being lost in the
Gotta
Forex
deal with
market?
these guys here.
Well, you
A little bit of delayedness. 1 sec.
will get a lot of free education and analysis from my YouTube channel.
We'll wait for a break, buddy.
Cool, guys.
Grateful for your
There we go.
effort.
Give a shout out to
Thank
Raja.
you.
Thank you, buddy,
Thank
for
you,
coming
Santosh.
on. I appreciate it,
I'm
my
also
man.
grateful for all of
Cool. Okay, guys. So I had to do it for him. Just tried to. He gave me a little bit of a shout. So hopefully it was a good shout. But who knows, right? It's obviously a little bit of a slow market right now, so that's why we're giving shouts. But thanks, buddy. Appreciate it, man. He's an old Canadian guy. Used to live in Canada, so got to represent. All right. Cool. So let's watch and see here. Not dropping too much. Okay, let's go check out Nasdaq. Okay, it's still holding good support, guys. I'm still going to. I'm still liking this, guys. I am. I still like they want to try to push this here. You know. Okay, like I still think it's looking good, guys. I haven't broke the 5-minute downtrend here for the 9 EMA. All right. So let's watch and see. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. Okay, remember we talked about that heavy resistance, guys. So remember, resistance here. Okay, you can see this is what we're defending or what we're gaining for right now. It's heavy resistance, guys. Okay, heavy resistance here, and then you can see we're coming to the daily, which is, you know, going to be a big break. We might not get it now. We might get it in a little bit. All right. Yusuf, for which one? Gold or Nasdaq? Gold. Yeah, we'll go back to gold here for sure. My IG got a follow from a scam account. Name really same as you. Yeah, I know. Wait, guys, it's not the first time it's happened. These guys got no life. You know, everybody's having those scammers go on right now. All right, so just block and report them, guys. We posted it on the Instagram, okay, and I posted it in the Telegram. So just get rid of these donkeys, and we're good to go. Okay, members, you guys should be looking good right now. Okay. Members, you guys should be bumping in the buys. You guys should be looking really good right now. Beautiful buy, guys. Let's see if we can get that nice little push. Okay. Looking good. Let's see if we can get a nice little push. Karen, this one's for you, sweetie. My girl. She's back, and I know she's ready to do some business. You guys don't know about Karen here. She's the Nasdaq hawk. I'm telling you right now. I've seen this girl pull $5,000-$10,000, no prop firm, real cash within like 30 minutes on Nas. All right. There we go, guys. Hopefully, you guys are banking on Nasdaq right now. Okay. It's looking pretty good so far. Gold. There we go, guys. It's now coming to that daily resistance. If we break here, this thing can really pop off, guys. Remember we talked about this. Okay, let's watch and see here. Let's pump this friggin' shit. Let's go. Pump it, guys. We get this break here. This thing's pumping. I'm telling you right now. Okay. Leave her. Yeah, Sang, my man. Absolutely. There it is, guys. Let's see if we can get a push. What's this place to set a stop loss? On Nasdaq, it depends on your account, okay? But if you guys want to, you can set it right down here, okay? Because we're looking for a long-term play here, 5 minute. Remember, this is looking like a one-to-one. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, you can set it at the lower candles, the wicks, okay? Give yourself a nice little opportunity like that. All right. Okay, gold is looking like it's dumping. Potentially, let's go take a peek on gold too. Yeah, it's still selling off, guys. Let's watch and see here. I have a $1 runner on gold. $1. I'm looking to make some coffee money here. Let's see if we can make. Yeah, I have enough money to get a coffee now. We're good. Coffee time. Not from Starbucks though. I can only afford a McDonald's coffee right now with this trade. Guys, see this holding the support? There it is. Hey guys, Starbucks. There we go. Starbucks. I'm up 10 pips on this sell, guys. 13 pips here. All right. Timmy's, yeah, you know, I'm more of a McDonald's fan, guys. You know, I like their coffee, but I could afford Starbucks today from that on that $1 13 pip move trade. All right, hopefully you guys got, oh shit, dumped, guys, dumped the hourly support. This thing is dumping. Yes, let's go, guys. I secured, okay? If I didn't, I definitely I could have got a combo at Starbucks, but now I can still afford a coffee and a donut, but nothing else. I closed out too early. Suhat got $400. Nice, man. Nice. This thing is dropping, guys. See the gap right there? Guys, secure. Okay, I'm telling you right now, secure, secure, secure. All right? Secure on this trade. Give it some, you know, if you secure the not the whole thing, but you could do you know, 80%, something like that. Bring in Mac, got 23 pips, guys. Oh my god, don't even talk about fried chicken. Guys, that's what we should be trading for real. I had that Popeyes fried chicken sandwich the other day. Oh my god, that was good. See, guys, what I mean about securing? Okay, no, the reason why I'm saying that is because look at the divergence here, guys. Okay, remember we talked about price starting to rise, okay, in terms of the RSI. All right, you can see that it started to drop now, okay? All right. Let's see, Nasdaq too. Okay, Nasdaq is still pushing, guys. Nasdaq is still pushing. Okay, let's focus on maybe Nasdaq too. It's getting some rejection now. I see the daily. Okay, so you got to expect that, right? It's going to come back down and test the 200. Where do I see Nas going? I'm not too sure right now. That looks like a very promising, prudent move to the upside, but now you can see the resistance. So we'll have to watch and see coming into 8:30 how that's going to move. All right. Still dumping, guys. Look at this. Wow. Guys, give me 2 seconds here. I just got to let Bub out. Okay, guys, sorry about that. Okay, so you can check this out. This is a dirty move right here. This is a typical gold. Okay, so you can see they dropped it, tried to retest now again. Okay, they're having that heavy resistance here. So now they're holding below that 15-minute support. This should be resistance now. Shahab, thanks, buddy. Appreciate it, man. Guys, I'm going to tell you straight up. I would have held that stream a little longer on Raj's stream, but my computer would be too slow. It would probably freeze, and this call would drop. I'm not going to lie to you. But no, that's crazy. Shahab, make sure to do what you did, bro. I appreciate it. All right. Okay, guys. So you can see we're back now at the daily here. I do see this break, and then we push back up to the next 13,653 mark. Okay, and that's to the left right here. That's the bottom support level. Okay, see how they found support? They broke it. Now they're retesting it again. All right. Ian, I have one. I'm actually on the other one right now. I'm doing some updates on my gaming one. I have, what the hell is this thing called? I have the ROG Strix. It's one of the best ones you can get, but I'm just doing some mods on it right now. So this thing is a little You want to know the truth? I'm a little nervous on streaming on it today, but it's still going good, guys. Still going good. All right. A lot of resistance still here. Okay, you got 14 seconds, guys. You see this golden cross about to form? All right. Carlos, about the my computer maybe freezing a bit just because it's not the one I'm normally using. So, guys, we see this cross coming. This thing's gonna pop off. Okay. A lot of resistance here. I do like. Sorry, I don't like. Right here, see this wick right here, how it closed below this previous wick. Okay, we need to get some more momentum and start to get past these. All right. All right, let's check this out. Let's check out GU. My man Ian and these guys just banked on GU. Oh, you guys got the sell. Beautiful. Wow, fuck, we should have traded GU today too. Shit. It's okay, guys. We should have traded GU, honestly. A beautiful move here. All right. Looking like a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, let's watch and see. No, CAD. For the news, eh? That's what you guys want. Okay, you guys want to listen, guys? We have 4 minutes maybe for US CAD. Let me know right now if you guys want me to do something on CAD or even just watch this thing. Look at CAD. Okay, I have, this is from the previous. Okay, guys, let's watch and see CAD. I'll give it a little bit of love here, okay? I have not done a top down, okay, guys, so like I have no idea what's going on here, so let's just go from the hourly real quick. This shit could pop. Holy shit, guys, this thing could pop off. I gotta go for the daily here. Okay. Let's go to the friggin' 1 hour now. Oh, there's a long wick, guys. I see that. Okay. Guys, don't blame me if we miss this Nasdaq continuation. Okay. This is what we're rocking with on CAD. Frick. Nasdaq is pumping, guys. Y'all want CAD? Missing nasty. Okay, I need to go back to Nasdaq for 1 second here, guys. The move. Look at this move here, guys. I told you it's, oh, it just peaked above. Okay, and it got pushed right back down. So we know now that they're going to be there. Okay, a lot of buyers able to break the daily. All right. And now it's starting a little bit of a wick down here. So let's watch and see if we get a continuation. When we get this alarm right here, guys, that thing has pumped up to hit the 53.29. Okay. It's okay, Scott. Don't worry about it, man. I saw your gold trade today, buddy. You're already up about $300-400, so I know you're having a good day. Okay, guys. So remember here, we have key resistance. All right. We have 1:06 left here. All right. CAD is very bullish right now. Like I said, this news, okay, coming at 8:30 here. This was a quick top down, guys. I don't even know what's to my left. Okay, like in this area right here. All I know is we have a large wick. Okay, pushing to the upside for the hourly. All right. So if CAD is going to pump, let's watch and see what's going to happen here. Nasdaq is pushing again, guys. So I don't know. Gold pump too? Yeah, that's why I told you guys to secure. Shit. Yeah. 15-minute, guys. We're gonna watch and see here. There's the 5. Okay. Let it fall. Let it see what's going. Okay, if she breaks here, guys, this is going to be the M pattern on the 15. Okay, but we need to start to break this, and you'll see what I mean in a second here. Okay, let's take a look at the 15-minute. Let's see if this is going to be an M pattern here. So top, top, here's your drop. It's got to break the moving average, guys. It has to break the moving average. All right, so let's watch and see how this is going to go. If it doesn't break here, guys, this thing's going to flip and continue. All right, so let's watch. I haven't entered anything yet on CAD, guys. Nothing. Okay, let's go take a peek at the news. All positive for CAD. Okay, all positive for CAD. So let's watch and see how this thing's going to start to roll here. This is a perfect double top, guys, set up on the 5-minute on the 15. Okay. Okay, and obviously we want to break down here. Gonna get probably some held up here at this resistance. Okay, once resistance. So we'll see, and then we're gonna see if we're gonna break. Okay, but we need to break this overall moving average before anything. All right, before anything. Okay, so let's watch this here. We got an alarm set. Let's just leave it alone. Let it be. You guys can see that we're in some nice consolidation move right here. Okay, so this is to be expected. This type of thing to happen. All right. So consolidative state means we're looking for a breakout. Okay. Okay, so let's watch and see. If we start to hold above this 9 moving average, it's still going to follow this overall 5-minute uptrend. Okay, you guys can see what I'm drawing right there. That makes sense. So we need to break this, then have the continuation to the downside. All right, so I'm going to leave this alone, guys. CAD is very slow. It's not something that I always like to scalp in the morning. I don't even like to really do it other than if there's news. Okay, so look at Nasdaq, guys. Here's the resistance. Okay. Okay, so they did not get a push past the daily. Okay, you guys can see here. Let's watch and see if it's going to hold now. This is forming an engulfing candlestick. All right, it is forming an engulfing candlestick, which means price can, definitely shoot back down. All right, and they can negate the overall potential golden cross. Okay. So it's a bit choppy today. Okay, we got a nice little push here, but then everything is getting neglected and negated right now by this extremely bearish candlestick. All right, so let's watch and see if they're going to even hold it at the 5-minute support right here. All right, see a nice little uptrend forming. Yeah, Dennis, it does. CAD has been on a pump for as of late, but they got to cool it off at some time. So that's why I said the 9 moving average is going to tell us everything we need to know about that move. Okay. What does everyone think about gold right now? Let's go to. I'm not going to leave gold 1 second here. Okay, so you see how we've closed below, guys? Okay, we've closed, starting to close below. Let me just dive in a little bit here. Okay, you can see they're closing below that 9 moving average. Okay, let's watch and see now how this is going to start to play here. Okay, remember we talked about that support level. Jay Chung, hey, you in with me on this? Victor, I need to get 500 here today so I can pay mom's bill. Okay, my man, so let's try to see if we can get you 500 bucks, okay? Definitely don't want anything like that to happen to the fam. Okay, hopefully you guys are in that US CAD dump so far. Follow the chart patterns, guys. Let's see if it's going to be real. Hopefully everyone's in with me on the CAD dump here. I am running, I'm going to send this to the FX group so you guys can see. Okay. Let's watch and see now, guys. Okay, so we tapped. So don't be afraid to secure some of this, guys. Like I said, they can pump it back up at any point. We've seen this happen many times. That thing dropped about 8 pips. Okay, dropped about 8 pips. All right, so let's watch and see how this thing's going to start to move. Okay, let's go back to nasty. Guys, secure about 80% on US CAD if you guys are trading it. Some people may not even be trading it, but just secure it if you are. Leave some runners here. Okay, Nasdaq is still trying to attempt, guys. Okay, still trying to attempt. If this thing breaks, yeah, here's the retest, guys. This thing's going to sell off. I can see this thing dropping below here. Okay, I can see this thing coming back down. At least maybe tapping right here. Let's watch and see. Okay, let's go check out gold now. You know what, guys? I'm not liking that, actually. You want to know why? Because this level is a critical support, okay? Even if this thing does drop, okay, I'm not looking to really risking anything like that. It can potentially drop down here, okay, and then have a nice little setup for the next big move, okay? But do I really want to mess with it? Not really, okay? But that's a potential sell here, but me personally, I'm not looking at maybe taking that. I like still the bullish tendencies here. I like it because they're finding that support. You see all this structure right here, guys? You see all this structure right here, how they're holding, okay? This is the same thing. They're trying to break it, but that structure it's very strong. Okay, it's a nice support level here, and you see there's still the uptrend starting to form. All right, so let's just watch and see how this is going to go. Okay, let's check out gold here too. Everyone's yelling at me to go change gold. Look at gold here, guys. Okay, perfect move. All right, so it broke the 5-minute resistance and it's starting to shoot back up. So remember, coming to this general area of resistance, she is forming. Okay, if you guys got in on here, some people maybe got in earlier and stuff like that. This is what could have made sense to you. All right, looking for the TP right here, and this is all following this pathway right above the 5-minute resistance. Okay, and that level, guys, this level was 1936.5. Okay, 1936.5. So let's watch and see. Let's take a peek on nasty. Okay, so there's your sell. Okay, let's go watch gold here. There's the dump, guys. There's that CAD dump. Okay. Chiggy, we just got your email, buddy. I just saw that here. Shahab sent me a message. Okay. Just give us a sec. Let us finish up the stream and we'll take a look at it for you. All right, my man? Okay, CAD was nice. Okay, let's go take a peek now at the Nasdaq sell. Okay, Nasdaq dropped below, guys. Remember we talked about TP coming to the 15-minute support. All right. Okay, let's take a look at gold too. Okay, gold is still pumping up, guys. Still looking pretty good. All right. Still going to hold that overall. 1 second here. Okay, so let's watch and see here. Guys, we're coming into about 9 o'clock now. Okay, look to secure on gold here. You can see getting a resistance. Now the candles are almost parallel at that 39.53. All right. Now we're coming to, could be 30-minute support right here. Okay, let's go check out Nasdaq too. Okay, Nasdaq not getting a full-on dump here, but still looking pretty promising. Let's take a peek at US CAD one more time, see how this is looking. Okay, they're finding that nice level of support right here. Okay, guys, and they're pumping back up. Okay, so look to secure if you guys are in CAD. Okay, let's go watch gold here. Watch this retest, guys. Watch this retest here. Where's everyone thinking gold is going to? Do you guys think gold is going to go bullish or bearish at this point? Okay, it's broke above key structure. All right, definitely thinking that price, you know, is looking nice and bearish here at the beginning. Okay, but now you can see they made a nice little double bottom here, and then they started to evaporate and turn top. Okay, so let's watch and see how this is going to go. What do you guys think though? It's a little bit of indecision right now. A lot of people are saying bullish. Let's see if it's going to hold this retest here, guys. Let's see if it's going to hold this retest. Asmath, today my target hit. Bye-bye. Later, buddy. Thank you. Okay, still showing nice bullish tendencies, guys. Let's watch, see if this is just a flag here. Okay, flagpole, here's your flag. Okay, we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation to the upside on this. All right, let's see if we can see a flagpole here. Biggie Smalls, my man. Saying best channel on YouTube. Wow, that's huge, guys. Thanks, brother. Appreciate that. There's a lot of other good people too. Honestly, there is. It's 5 minutes is different, guys. It gives you adrenaline. It gives you thrills. You know. So you feel that little tingle in your tchotchkes when you're trading 5 minutes, and sometimes you feel those then in your throat if it doesn't go your way. Guys, the New York Open for the stock exchange is at 9:30. All right, is at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Set mostly limit orders, some pending orders. Okay, so that would be a limit. Yep, but also stop orders here. We'll take a look at Nasdaq. I just want to see follow through on this gold, see if it's going to actually have a bullish flag continuation. Nope, getting that heavy resistance here, guys. Okay, so let's take a peek on NAS. What kind of play out here? Okay, so Nasdaq just started to dump back. Okay, had a nice little push, and then you had your engulfing candlestick starting to drop back down to the 15-minute support. All right. Okay, still shooting back down, guys. Coming into the new about 10 minutes, right near, 9 o'clock now. See, it just would have hit TP, guys, if you would have taken that sell. Ace Trades, good morning. Let's go, guys. Almost tapping the sell. If you guys got it, let's take a look at gold here, too. Let's take one more peek at CAD here. CAD is still trying to find some push movement, okay? So if you're still in CAD, guys, you're still up maybe about 5 pips, so look to secure, okay? Let's take a peek on gold here, too. Okay, gold is getting that rejection now. It's slowly starting to break that support level here, okay? So they're not pumping it any further, right, as of right now, okay? As of right now. So let's go watch Nasdaq. Okay, and then it's dumping. Here we go. Okay. I wouldn't be dumping or taking gold right now just because of the way that Nasdaq is trading. Let it kind of play out, do its thing here. We'll watch accordingly. Joining SST is like getting into Division 1 college. Division 1 college is, what do you guys think? Universities? You guys think they're going to be as popular as everything that's going on with e-learning? What are you guys' thoughts on that one? There's a real question. There's so many e-learning sites coming up, guys. Could be, trading, could be, learning how to play basketball, right? So still dumping here. And if we get this dump below here, guys, it could start to fall even further. All right. So here's Nasdaq, guys. This thing can start to dump right back down, okay, in the nice little sell opportunity for the continuation. All right, so we've been up since here. Okay, if you guys caught it, all right, you're still dropping. So right here. I think it can drop down to here, guys, personally. Your stop loss, if you had any questions, would have been right above there, okay? But you can move your stop loss right near the moving average now and see how it's going to move, okay? Okay, see how they're starting to find that level of support here, guys? Very critical. And it's to be expected because look at the left here. Look at the left, all right? Okay, let's watch. The momentum is strong, guys, here. That's why I'm looking like something like this. It's strong sell pressure, but that's not to say the buyers can't come up. Okay, slowly breaking here. There it is. Here it is, guys. Let's watch. There she goes. Okay, coming into 52 here, guys. Let's watch. Okay, slowly but surely, guys. D nice FX. The trade's going to get stopped live. What do you mean? If they're in profit, they can just take their profit. I'm kind of confused on that, but it's all good, man. I have no idea what that even means. So watch, guys. See how it's not dropping here? Secure if you guys are in from here, okay? Secure if you're in. Let's watch and see how this is going to go. Move your stop loss to break, and good to go. Cool, guys. So coming into 9 o'clock, like I said, if you're not trading right now, no need to trade. It's not looking like it's dropping here. Finding that nice level of support, which makes sense, okay? You can see to the left, guys, key level. So if you guys are in on this sell, grab your pips. It's not even breaking back down here. Again, it's broke to the pierce of the line, so let's watch and see how this thing can move over the next little bit. If you're in already, remember, coming into the new hourly candle, all right? The new hourly candle. So CAD flew back up as well, guys. CAD flew back up as well. All right. Let's take a peek on Goldilocks too. Okay, so gold pumped right back up, guys. Gold pumped right back up. Okay, you can see it's held that level of support. Okay, that should be the 5-minute support level now. Okay, now she's pushing right back up, pretty much into that almost flag mark here. So I'm going to remove that. Okay, let's watch and see. Okay, there's nasty. Ian, I'm not even worried about it because I think I know what's going to happen here. Let's watch and see. I think it's going to come to the new hourly. Oh. About 3 minutes here, guys. About 3 minutes here. Let's take a look at CAD too, guys. Remember CAD, I think, pushed back up. Okay, so check this out, guys. Remember, nice little dump here. Then they retraced it hard, guys. Nice little push to the upside. Okay, getting that little bit of a retest now. So that's what I said. The initial dump was perfect. Okay, initial dump was perfect. Now you get your little pump there going on. Okay, we'll check out gold real quick. So gold's selling off too. So guys, if you didn't take your profit, you can see what's going on here. Nice push. All right, now it's coming to the overall retracement, pumping in. Okay, same thing down here. Dumped off, then pumped right back up. So that's why I said you got to be on point with taking your profit here, or else you're going to get retracement starting to happen. Okay, so let's go back to NAS. Okay, so coming in 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes until 9 a.m. What do you guys think? Nasdaq is going to be bullish or bearish here? What do you think? What are you guys' thoughts? I got some debaters here, guys. I like it. Let's watch and see here. Critical time, critical point, guys. 15-minute support level. New hourly candle, guys, coming in. Remember, go to minute and 17 here. Guys, we got all sorts of things going on here. People are saying bullish, bearish. It's everywhere. All right. Let's watch and see how she's moving. You now have an opportunity, guys, if you're in Nasdaq, like I said, to take your profit, not hold it, or, take a little bit of a loss if you don't want to be in the hourly candle. Like Frank Sinatra, sideways. Right now it is, guys. Right now it is. They're finding good support level right here. Diego, it's probably better. Like I said, never trade the first 5-minute candle coming in to the hourly close or the first 5 minute after, right? So you're smart. Just wait until 9:30. Here we go. 10 seconds, guys. New hourly candle here. Let's watch and see what's going to happen. go take a peek on gold too. Okay, we'll come back, check out US CAD gold. Okay, so CAD started to pump back up. All right, remember we talked about this. So not much is movement, has happened just yet. Okay, let's take a peek on gold. Okay, gold looks like it's starting to push down too. Okay, gold is coming to that critical point, similar to Nasdaq once was. Remember when we got rejected at that 200? Goldilocks looks like it's similar to right there. All right. Oh, there's gold dump. Okay, let's see what's going on with Nasty here. Nauru, I'm not too sure about US CAD anymore. We got the dump, and then that's usually generally all I look for after that. So let's watch and see. 3 minutes and 55. So gold looked like pretty bearish since we flipped off it. Okay, you can see now it's starting to dump off, guys. Okay, starting to dump off. So if you didn't take your profit here, now you're in short-term drawdown. Okay, coming back down to that resistance on the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Okay, so guys, look at how we've had to trade here. It's been like dropping, popping, dropping, you know what I mean? In and out movement, sideways trading here. Look at the moving average. Okay, this is why Fridays are not always the best. All right, you can see in and out Friday movement here. Fake out Friday is what I like to call it. So, so check out that nasty trade too. Okay, I want to check out DXY too for 1 second. Oh, guys, look at this. Remember how we had that nice little opportunity for a drop here? They had an engulfing candlestick. Okay, so you have your engulfing candlestick. Now we're starting to look like it's starting to push up for the DXY here. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're coming into 903. 903. All right, holding good support here. Okay, so let's see what we got going on live, guys. 580 people on here. Shout out to you guys straight up. Thank you so much for joining on. Okay, it's 215 likes. If you guys want to see US 30 done live, I'll do a top down. Okay, if you guys want to see that kind of stuff, you know, maybe smash me up to 300 likes. Okay, smash you up to 300 likes and see how things are going. Ooh, not that bad, boy. Just move that down here. Move this over, and we'll see how things are going to go. So much sideways trading here, guys. So much sideways trading. All right, let's take a peek on gold here, see if we got that sell continuation. There's the gold sell, guys. All right, still dumping down. You can still use the same cloned area right here. If you guys feel like that's going to continue in the sell. Okay, let's watch and see here. Let's take a peek on Nasdaq too. We'll watch this. Okay, there's a continuous gold sell again. Same level, guys, 1932.89. Nothing has changed. It's the exact same. Okay. let's go take a peek on Nasdaq too. Okay, finding that level of support here, but you can also see we're starting from down here, guys. So you got to expect some kind of a hold right there. All right, let's watch and see if this thing's going to start to fold now. Oh. Tired of losing? Switch to a demo account and practice on that. That's what I suggest. There are some times where I switch to a demo account, practice different strategies. You know what I mean? So you got to do that, guys. If you're getting this burnt up over it and beat up, you shouldn't, one, be trading on Fridays. Fridays is the worst day to trade. Okay, just going to be completely honest with you about that one. I said it multiple times before on the streams, so hopefully you guys take that into consideration. All right. So just a little bit of a top down here. Okay, they're finding good support. Nothing has broke down and continued. All right. So we'll watch and see how this thing's going to start to play out. So check out US 32. Cool, guys. 278 likes. If you guys want Nasdaq, or sorry, US 30, get to 300, we're good to go. If you guys remember what I told you, I'm not looking to do anything until we get to 930. I said that 3 times before. Okay, so right now it's just showing some particular opportunities that price could happen if they get the key levels. That's all I'm trying to mention to you. All right. Do we go live tomorrow on weekends? No, we don't. Okay, we go live enough times in our private Zoom room, so you know we're not gonna. We need breaks too, guys. We need breaks too. Okay, so let's go check out now. Goldie. Okay, still holding some support there. Watch and see how this is going to go. There's a lot of momentum sell pressure here, guys. So just watch and see these types of candles. You can see the overall trend. All right. Nice bearish here. Head here. Secondary potential shoulder here. So gold can rise, guys. Okay, gold potentially can rise if this thing is going to show like an inverse head and shoulder. Okay. A lot of wicks getting down in here. Look at all these wicks of price right in this level. Okay. So DXY is making a move here. We'll go check that out. Okay, so there's the DXY dump. Look at this thing, guys. Bye-bye. Let's watch see gold here. You see that DXY dump, guys? Okay, pushed up. Now had overall TP. Let's see Nasdaq. Oh, man. Let's see what we get here. Elm, I'm in this sell right now on Nasdaq. So where's that guy who said you're going to get stopped out live? Anybody remember that guy? Or is he too embarrassed to even talk now? Where is he? What's his name? Dinglehoofer, that's what his name is. Where is he? DNiceFX. Mr. Shit Talker. Enjoy your pips, guys, if you held the sell. She's coming down. I'll take my pips on that one, and I'll show you guys. Look at the webcam right now. Blues. Let's just swipe right on this. Take it. Good to go. Enjoy your pips, guys. Where's DNimFX? Where's that guy? Stopped out live. And remember, you guys can speak up. I said, look in this. Hold your analysis. Okay. Now you can secure, guys. If we don't get any further down, now you can secure. All right. Don't get greedy. Cool, guys. 300 likes here. So we'll rock and roll on US 30. All right. right, didn't get below here. What we're getting held at is previous structure to the left. Okay, you can see on the wicks right there. All right. And then there's your gold fall. Where is he? Where is that D? Where's that guy? Where is he? D nice FX. Very nice. Cool. All right. With that being said, guys, it's enough joking around here. Let's watch and see here if Nasdaq does hit. Okay. Typical mouth off then run. Yeah, Rob, I know. It's okay though. It happens. Even if the stop loss did get hit, guys. It's in. Look at this. Like, that's why you trust analysis. A golfing candlestick breaking below the 9. Okay. Right. Okay. Good to go. So let's go to some US 30 now here, guys. This thing's pretty nice. Air raid bullshit than Bill. I know. It's okay. Guys, sorry if I sound like I got a frog in my throat. I didn't sleep very much last night. And if you guys want to know the truth, there's some family member who's very sick, and yeah, so been dealing with that. So sorry if I sound like a little tired, guys. I do apologize. Alright, so you can see here, do have some nice supply as well. Alright. Nas is dropping. No. I didn't think it was going to drop. Okay, have a nice support level down here too. Supart. All right. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Everything will be good. Everything will be good. I appreciate that. Okay, coming here. Just going to move that bad boy down there so we can get some nice levels. Perfect. Okay, daily support. Going to mark this up as 4-hour support right here. And go to the hourly. Okay, so I'm looking right here. It's looking pretty good so far, guys. I'm just going to gather these wicks, sticks, and wicks. Ryan Heffner. Thanks, Dave. Thank you, my man. Enjoy your day, brewer. Thank you so much for coming in and watching the stream, guys. Appreciate that. For everyone's got to leave right now, guys, just want to say thank you for joining in on the stream. I know it's Friday, guys. Everyone's got some things to do. So thank you for choosing your time to choose our stream here. You know what I mean? There's a lot of things you can choose from, but you guys are rocking with us. It's definitely pretty cool, actually. And it's much appreciated. Okay, so let's go to 15 now. Okay, do see level of support right there. Looking good. Okay, now we have a resistance level right here on the 15. What's going on with gold, guys? Anybody know? What happened with gold? Let's go take a peek. Yeah, gold is slowly dropping in there, guys. Starting to push back up. Okay. Slow but surely. A lot of buyers there, guys. These wicks are really starting to pick it up. But watch and see. Let's take a peek on Nasdaq. Nasdaq still trying to break through, guys. It's now getting some level of support right here and starting to push back up. Okay. So make sure to grab your pips, guys. If you're in this, anything can happen. You know what I mean? So Just don't get greedy here. Take what you can. T Queen, thank you for streaming. No problem, guys. All right. Okay, looking good here. Okay, guys, so let's go check out now gold, just because I know Scott, if it drops below that 1 hour support, I would take the loss. Looking like it's forming a bullish expanding triangle reversal pattern on the 4 hour. That's a lot. Little Manny, which one are you talking about, dude? Jermaine Forquois, thank you from Quebec. Hey, my man, Quebecois. Share some of that maple syrup with us, bro. You guys are holding it all. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, guys, so see, Scotty, if you held it, you're still looking good so far. Okay, it's not really dropping past below. All right. Okay, guys, my allergies are acting up like crazy. Let's go take a peek on Nasdaq for 1 sec. Christiana, just hold tight on that one. You'll see it might reverse. It's at a gold's at a critical level right now. Can you give the levels of Nasdaq? We do have them here marked. Okay, you know what I mean? We just kind of removed the moving averages. That's all we did. Okay, so let's see at the bottom of that arrow here. My man knows. My man knows the maple syrup is the real currency of the world in Canada here. Yeah, T Queen, we can't. Yeah, HankoTrade, you can't use it in the UK. That's the only one you can't use it in. I think it's UK and I think a couple other countries. So, Clayton, 4.99, buddy. Thank you so. Oh man, my man, Mr. Goldbeard. Guys, Clayton, he just donated 4.99. He's a member with us. Okay, this guy, I want to give a shout out to him. And it's not because he just donated. He's in the group every single day. He's a live streamer for Twitch. He's a gamer, okay? So he's always rocking in the group and always updating charts and stuff like that. So definitely appreciate him, my man. Thanks, Peak, man. I really appreciate it, dude. My man, straight up. And because your name is Goldbeard, okay? Like you're like a brother from a different mother in this area, okay? And I really want to know where Mr. DFX went when he said we're not going bearish on Nasdaq. So we just actually hit the TP. See how it is at parallel with the overall TP. Okay. DXY got deleted. Yeah, it held support, guys. So it held support there, and then it pushed back up. Guys, yeah, that's a cool thing to do. I'm not a live streamer for a gaming place. You guys see gold here. It did not drop below that 31. Okay, it started to pick up support. So Scotty, Christiana, you guys should be good. All right, you guys should be good. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna do US 30. Absolutely, guys. We're gonna focus that one on next. You actually entered another buy, so you bought the dip on it again. Good, my man. Good. Okay, guys. If you guys want here, straight up, it's a cool thing to do. If you guys are on Twitch or anything like that, you guys can drop your names, your handles in here on the channel, and you guys can follow whoever you want, guys. I don't do that, you know, but I know there's a lot of people who there are. If they want to, you know, you can. It's up to you guys. Doesn't matter to me. Snipers, if you want to do it in the private one, you guys can do it. YouTubers, if you want to do that, you know, you're looking good. Okay. Guys, I got to take a 2-second break. I'm not going to lie to you. I actually have to go to the washroom. Okay, straight up. I'll be back in 2 seconds, and then we're going to focus on US 30. Okay. All right. Later. Scotty just took 212 from gold. My man. My man. Hey guys, cool. Thanks for sticking around, guys. All right. Okay, so 922. All right. So we buy in US 38 minutes. I don't know. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? What do you guys think the dirty 30 is going to go to? What do you guys think? What are your guys' thoughts? I like Nasdaq. It's a little cleaner than US 30 right now. Okay, but again, anything can happen. All right, let's take a look at this on the hourly. Okay, so look, we do have a long bottom wick here holding 4-hour support. Okay, you can see we're getting some rejection here at the 200. Okay, and we're going to start to maybe break this level. We're below the 9 EMA on the 200. Sorry, on the hourly. Okay, bro, I need 10% of my account with this trades. Holy shit, that's a lot. Okay, guys, so everyone's thinking a little bit bearish here. All right, let's watch and see. Okay, so double top here, continuation below the 200, so it looks pretty good like in sells, but remember, the liquidity pumped in here, all right, can have a lot of detrimental issues to your account. So that's at 9:30. We might get a dud, all right. We might get a dud of a morning. The last couple mornings have been good. We'll wait and see here, all right. I'm just gonna go check over everything else. I'll especially want to check with the DXY. Okay, so you can see a little bit of resistance here forming. Okay, engulfing candlestick starting to maybe push back down. All right. Maybe looking to fill this bottom wick right down here. Okay. Let's take a look at that US CAD that happened. Okay, so we got the dip and now it's starting to push back up here. Okay, and CAD is just following the overall trend. Okay, CAD is following the overall trend. All right, which is on a higher time frame, it's bullish. All right, so we got the pullback here, did not break below. All right, and push back up. So let's go check out gold now. Okay, so found some support levels here, guys. Okay, it would have been nice. Like, it would have been nice if you know, you could have got your overall push. Delta Charlie, my man, and you just joined the one-on-one too. You crazy guy. Thank you so much. Guys, I don't know if you guys understand. Delta Charlie, he's I don't want to float his boat here, but he's a brilliant man, guys. He's a business professional. Okay, very very smart man. Ron has had a few one-on-ones with this gentleman right here, and we had to pick his brain on a few things. So I just wanted to give a shout out and thank you so much for everything that you did, man. All right, all right. Okay, so let's go check out that Nasdaq opportunity too. Okay, so Nasdaq now finding that level of support right here, and it's to be expected. Look at the level of resistance here once, which is acting as support. All right, Chamendra, Charlie, bro, give us two. Everything that gets donated, guys, just gets put back into the stream. All right, so watch and see this how this goes here. So let's go to 9:30. I'm gonna update this one as well. Are we buying Dow Jones? I don't know yet. We'll have to wait and see. But if we do, guys, you know, I can see the daily getting broken on Nasdaq and starting to push back up. It's attempted it once, cooled back down. Okay, and now you can see the overall support level is starting to form. Okay, guys, we do have news in about, thanks Ian. 9:30, guys, 9:45. Okay, we have USD manufacturing, the folders that we went over in the morning. All right. Victor, we don't have a Telegram channel, dude. We just have a free one. It's a free FX group in the top of the YouTube. Okay. So if you want to click on that, but we are launched in Discord. All right. Discord is a better platform for what we have planned coming in the future. All right. So we're going to watch US 30 here, guys. Let's get ready to smash this. Okay, guys. So if you're new, guys, don't trade the New York stock. 9:30 open. Okay, use 1% max, guys. It's Friday. Like, no one needs to mess around on Fridays because a lot of the time what happens is you piss away all your gains that you make on the week, and then you go into the weekend thinking that you're a failure, and you're not. It's just you trade on Fridays. Okay? Wait 5 to 10 minutes after the market opens to take a trade. Use proper risk management, stop loss, trailing stop, and TP if you guys understand all those. All right? E-green, yeah, it is. It's starting to work out now in terms of what we have planned, but it was Telegram was nice because it was more a little bit better of a community here. But you know, Discord is a little bit bigger, and the way that this thing is growing, it's working out pretty good for us, guys. Gold is bullish here. Okay. Can I make a template instead of typing every day? Oh man, you're like the 5th guy to ask me to do that. You guys don't like my typing skills? Josh, I know. I should make a template. I'm contemplating this in my head to do it. I should just do it. So let's watch and see, guys. What's Ron's typing skills like? I don't want to talk about that. My man can trade, scalp anything, any market in the world, but his typing skills are not his best attribute. Okay, guys, so let's just watch your 4 seconds, okay? Okay, guys, remember, you guys should be running. Okay, fast, quick pips. Don't get greedy here. Okay, if you caught it, it was right around this area, generally right around here, guys. Okay, you can see a little bit of a wick. If you missed it, don't even look to take it. Okay. Probably got in right around this area, guys. Okay, so you can see now pumping back up. Okay, that's why I said don't look to take it. If you guys got it, had a quick little drop here, you're looking good. Okay, if not, you're starting to come back into you know, a little bit of a drawdown here. All right, so that's why I said you got to be very, very fast. Good, Josh. Good, you guys got it up. Okay, so let's watch and see how she's gonna roll. Veronica, if you missed it, don't worry about it. Wait for the next opportunity to come. Okay. Okay, still looking opportunity, guys. Let's watch and see how this is going to play. Okay, so they're now holding it above that 4-hour support here. This is why I'm telling you not to enter if you guys missed the first one. You guys see? And guys, YouTube, I'm just talking to the guys in the Zoom, okay? This was the initial one, okay? Got a nice little sell-off here, and this is why you do not chase, okay? This is why right here, because they're starting to pump it back up. Let's watch and see. Michael Forex, we do have a free FX Telegram group, but it's nothing more than kind of us just posting, doing updates and stuff like that. We don't give too many free stuff. It's just if you want to follow us on YouTube and different things like that, you know, different things. So, okay, guys, let's go check out Nasdaq for 1 second here. Okay, so Nasdaq flipped. Okay, nice bullish. If it breaks here, guys, if it breaks the daily, she's starting to pump back up. Okay. So remember we talked about this. Going long above the daily right here. Be the secondary move. Okay. Let's watch. Jason, your challenge account now at plus 5%, so appreciative, huge, guys. That's crazy. Good for you guys. That's huge. It's okay, 5 points. It's all right. Okay, so one of two things is here, guys, going to happen. Okay, you can see they're starting to push back down. If you guys are not feeling comfortable, remember, this is still the first 5-minute candle. All right, so let's see what, remember on US 30, guys. Remember what we said? Do not trade the first 5-minute candle. Okay. Okay, 9 seconds here, guys. If you're not feeling comfortable with anything like this, don't trade it. Don't trade anything you don't need to do. Okay. Alain, 4 K done. Beautiful, man. Members. Michael, what are the MA settings? It's the 200 exponential moving average and the 9 EMA. All right. Nas dumped, so it just wicked up in there. Let's go take a peek. I was focused on US 30 here. I was looking for the Nas push, but it obviously didn't come through. So a nice little wick, okay, and then it pushed right back down. All right, so no confirmation there, just a little bit of a wick. All right, I'm more interested in US 30. All right, remember, you guys are running in on that sell, okay? I got in that sell entry again. Okay, you guys take your profit on this one. This is a double entry of the same one. This is the initial candle break, and then you have your secondary candle right there. So take it, guys. Like I said, they can wick this thing back up. All right. Secure, guys. Secure. Look at these wicks. These are good opportunities, but this is quick scalping in and out. Okay, you got to be fast. Johnny, if you're up 5.5, then just stop for the day. Okay, be done, because Fridays you never know what's going on here. Should we be considered with the 945 orange folders? Absolutely. Yep. Wow, guys. Did you guys get W's in this? Cool. Cool. You just got to be fast, guys. You got to be trigger finger on the morning and fast. That's what I'm saying. If you guys are not, if you don't like this, then you don't have to trade like this. You know what I mean? It's not easy. Adrian, did you get any of this, buddy? Where's my man Adrian in here? Okay, good. Good. Adrian, I'm going to look out for you, my man. I got you, buddy. I feel bad about what happened, so we'll be in touch after the stream, okay? So I'm glad you just got a W on that one. All right? Good. Sifu, WTI, please. My man, Sifu. Who calls... My God, guys, you don't need to call me Sifu. That is hilarious, though. All right. I'm not looking at... we're not going to look at oil here, guys. So let's watch and see here. Michael Bradford lost about $30. Well, watch this US 30 sell. It's going to come back down and probably tap this general area right here if we can get a nice little continuation. All right. What is the yellow lines, guys? This is support and resistance based on technical. All right. Ian Bloomberg reporter was supposed to say market cap rates, and the market cap is live news. That's funny. Guys, I told you, don't trade gold around this time. Focus on the indices if you can. If you don't like the account, then you don't need to. Or sorry, you don't have the account to kind of trade it, you don't need to at all. Okay? All right, I'm looking for the break here, guys. That's what I'm looking for, the daily resistance eventually on Nasdaq. Okay, if it doesn't have there, this thing is going to sell off. So Nasdaq wasn't my main focus today. Okay, if you guys got a little bit of a wick down here, you would have got your stop loss hit pretty fast. Okay, so that would have been a bad trade if you had taken it. All right, that's why I like more US 30. All right. Where's my man Mitchell? Mitchell Bradford. Buddy, if you took the sell right there, you could have made your $30. Okay? Let me know if you took that sell. Mitchell Bradford, he's on YouTube. He said he lost about 30 bucks. Let's see if he got it. He's not commenting. Maybe not. I tried, guys. Okay. Secure, guys. Secure. RSV Film Studio 367 on US 30. Beautiful. Nice. He got it. Mitchell Bradford. Shout out to him. He literally said, guys, he's down 30 bucks, and I said, buddy, you should sell right here, and I think he got it. I don't know. To me, that's cool. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if you guys find that cool or not, but I literally just talked to him because I saw it and then he got it. That's huge, buddy. Huge shout out, man. Straight up. Okay. Just passed my MFF. Oh, fuck yeah, buddy. Beating in, my man. Okay, we got another, guys. I want to give a shout out to my man B Nin. Okay. All right. I'm going to post on the free FX group. He just passed his phase 1 of the MFF. So please, guys, give him a shout out. It's not easy to pass these freaking phases. You know what I mean? It's not easy. So I just really want to give a shout out to him. You know, congratulations, brother, for real. Congratulations. It's huge, especially on a Friday, man. Do not listen. Please say, guys, do not effing trade if you pass. Get away, put the straight jacket on, be done with it. Okay? For real, please. Just be done with it. Okay. Okay, guys, listen. I'm going to be straight up with you. It's Friday. Okay. I do not. Balaj, you made another 1%. Holy shit, guys. You guys are crazy. Yeah, Bean in, Michael. Have a beer now. Guys, this is how I like to do things. Okay. We just had a nice trade right here. Okay. I'm done. Okay. Straight up, I'm done. I don't want to trade this news. Okay. I don't think anyone should trade this news right now. All right. Right there. Guys, look at Gabriel C. He's on the YouTube. Shout out to Dave and his partner Ron. Passed my MFF phase 1 in London session with Ron and now got a head start on phase 2. Thank you, thank you, thank you, guys. Straight up. All right. Yeah, Trader Gonzalez, I know there is another fake piece of shit doing that, but don't fall for anything, guys. We put it on our Instagram. Don't fall for this scammer, okay? So, Wendell, my man. Wendell, I guess you're happy you stayed for the year, eh, big man? All right. MFF is my Forex ones, guys. My man. Wendell, I thought when we made that mistake, bro, I thought you were going to come through the phone at me the one time. There's too many Wendells here, guys. Too many Wendells. Okay, guys. So listen, 9:45 here. Got my first 320 bucks of the day. Beautiful, guys. So bad I just tuned in. That's okay. Doggy's good. He's right behind me, just laying on the couch. All right. Guys, straight up though, okay, you can see US 30 is still dumping down. I don't have anything below here other than the daily support. Okay, so if this breaks 4 hours, she can come back down to the daily. Guys, don't go. I know I want to stay, guys, but I don't want to watch this news. I don't think anyone should be trading right now. Okay, if you already had good pips. All right. US 30 is still, this thing is crunching hard. All right. So this thing is coming back down to daily support, guys. Jermaine, what is phase 1? You have to have phases to pass to get your prop firm challenge. Okay, guys, so if you would have just grabbed here, members, if you would have held that, I don't know if anyone's still holding or not, but if you guys grabbed there was 2 entries there. The initial one, this thing's 150 pips dropping. Okay? Guys, literally, I'm telling you straight up, I told them to sell right here. Okay? And then I said, I'm adding another sell. All right? And this is the result. Okay? So, guys, 1 minute until news. I'm probably going to drop off after this minute. Okay, I just want to see how this is opening up, and then now we're going to call it a day, okay? Here's 9:45, guys. Slime pays. Do we have evening sessions? We do evening right now. We do webinars, okay? But I think we're going to start maybe adding in some Tokyo sessions again. All right. We'll let you guys know, though, on an update, all right? So we'll let you know. Okay. All right, guys. It's currently 9:45 here. You can see that you might get a little dead cat bounce. Okay, so just be careful with trading here. Guys, I'm going to call it right now, okay? I just want to let you guys know. I don't want to keep wasting time here. I don't really want to be fucking around with this news either, okay? Guys, this is our site. I'll just quickly go over this if you want to just stick around. It won't be long. Guys, right up here in the top right-hand corner, you can, over 100 different languages, okay? So if you're Zulu here, we have it. If you have Hindi right here, we have Nepali, we have Mongolian, we have Chinese, we have everything, guys. Okay, we have your basic English too. All right, you can see these are live sessions right here, guys. We're just updating them right now. That's why you're seeing nothing here, okay? So usually these are updating when our next sessions are, all right? All right, guys, if you want to join the plan, I don't want to keep going over this. I'm not here to do this. I'm here to trade, all right? You guys can see what it is right there. You know, 3, 6, 12-month plan will get you the boot camp, same with the monthly, all right? You guys can read what you get. Okay, 3 to 5 trade ideas per day depending on market conditions. We already hit 2 trade ideas. We had an EU buy this morning for 20 pips and then a gold buy for 30 pips, okay? All right, so definitely good thing if you guys want to join. You can read our benefits right here, guys, okay? And this is our trading schedule we have for this week. You can see private London session, private New York with our Zoom, which we are doing YouTube Live. And then you can see we do 3 webinars, okay? We might add in some Tokyo sessions, you know, moving forward, okay? And guys, if you have any questions to get in touch with us, okay, right here, all right, get in touch. That's our email, and then we'll be responding within a little bit, all right? Also, guys, you can see Instagram right here. Give us a follow, okay? Watch our stories. There's a scammer who's just trying to, he messages a bunch of people, so we kind of outed him and stuff like that. It happens more than not. But just give us a follow, guys. We're not here to show off cars and fancy stuff like that. We just really want to help you guys with trading. That's it. That's straight up it. All right. So, with that being said, you guys can see we have our calendar here. It got an economic calendar earning report. You can book a one-on-one session here. All right, Shadow of Sonic, it does. You can get access to all of our private Zoom stuff here. Okay, guys, we're updating our sniper education stuff, so we'll let you know about when that's done and stuff, and it's pretty cool what we've done. All right, and then, yeah, so straight up, guys, that's pretty much it. I don't want to keep your time. You know, don't be over trading today. You know, there's nothing that is worse than having a great Friday and then pissing it all away at 3 o'clock, and then you're going into the weekend feeling like, you know, not successful or whatever it is. So just, you know, Jared, like, it is a one-on-one open. Yeah, it's one-on-one open topic. You can choose what you want. All right, so yeah, but I gotta message you anyways, buddy. Jared, send us a message on Instagram, bro. I gotta message you and touch base with you about something. Okay, so just everything's good. Just send us a message. Okay. All right, guys. So you can see that the US 30 dumped off here. Let's take a peek on gold. Okay, gold. Holy shit. We should have watched gold a little bit, guys. Like. Gold pumped like a mother here. We missed it. That's okay though. All right, Nasdaq, let's take a peek. Huge sell-off coming from the daily, guys. Heavy rejection here. Now finding that 4-hour support, okay? So that's why we chose US 30. It was the best trade that I thought was going to happen, and we didn't trade it live. So cool, guys. It says I have 420 viewers. I'm definitely okay with ending it on that viewership. You guys get what I mean. All right, so have a great day, guys. Hope everyone's good. Morrow, my man, made $1,500 on gold. Congratulations, guys. Straight up huge. Okay. All right. Sounds good, guys. See you tomorrow. Monday, and we'll resume. Later. Carlos.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads
I know you're always
and
on
finding
here.
a perfect strategy.
So thank you so much. I can't
They
wait
also
till we go
focus
into
on
private
proper
sessions.
entries and exits.
You know, then we can really
However,
open up the mic
before
and we can
any
have
decision
real
is made,
talks.
look for a reliable broker.
My man,
We
Gold
all
Beer,
want to
brother,
have
thank you
good
so much.
spreads and commissions that allow us
Straight
to get
up.
into
Boss,
the blue
thank you, my
faster.
man. A Dope King, guys, thank
At
you so much.
HankoTrade, having
Okay.
spreads as low as
I'll be in Discord, I'll
0.0
drop in.
pips with
Absolutely. Yeah, my
leverage
man, thank you
available
so
up
much
to
for all the updates, bro. I
500
really
times
appreciate
is
it.
just one click
Harry,
away.
thank you, brother Harry.
You
Thank
may also choose from 3
real.
different
I saw
account
what you
types
just did and
with a
stuff like
minimum
that. Appreciate it,
deposit
man.
as
Yo,
low
thank
as
you, Nigel.
$10.
Bless up, my man. I love it when you say that, dude, especially on the IG. It makes me feel good.
Built
Thank you.
by traders
All right.
for
And
traders.
Sarni, thank
Trade
you so
and
much.
control
Mark,
with our
DPI,
recommended
everyone.
broker,
Thank you guys, Craig.
HankoTrade.
Straight up. Awesome, guys. Adrian, thank you, my man. I'll be in touch with you, okay? Okay, guys.